Hello everyone. Welcome back to our 28-day free English speaking course. Today's lesson is very important because we are talking about your daily English speaking plan. If you want to speak English fluently, confidently, and naturally, you must practice speaking every single day. The good news? You only need 20 to 30 minutes daily to see real improvement. Let's get started. Why? Daily speaking is important. Speaking every day helps you build confidence, improve pronunciation, reduce fear, speak more naturally. Many learners understand English. Many learners read English, but they don't speak. And without speaking, fluency does not grow. Remember this. Fluency is built by speaking, not by thinking. When you speak daily, your brain becomes faster. You start thinking directly in English. Your 20-30 minute daily routine. Let me show you a simple structure. We divide your practice into morning, afternoon, evening. Morning practice, 10 to 15 minutes. Start your day with energy. First, warm up your mouth. Repeat sounds pa, ba, ma, fa. Then practice simple sentences. Good morning. Today, I feel happy. My goal today is to practice English. Speak clearly and confidently. Afternoon practice, 10 to 15 minutes. Now use real speaking. Introduce yourself. Hello, my name is Kaik. I'm learning English every day. Talk about simple topics, weather, your hobbies, your daily routine. You can speak in front of a mirror, record your voice, use a speaking app. Listening to yourself helps you improve fast. Evening practice, 5 to 10 minutes. Before sleeping, reflect. Say, today I learned new words. I practiced English for 25 minutes. Tomorrow I will improve more. You can also read one small paragraph aloud. This improves pronunciation and fluency. Example, practice sentences. Here are some easy sentences. Greetings. Hello, how are you? Good morning. Introduction. My name is Kyao. I'm from India. I want to speak English fluently. Common questions. What do you do in your free time? How often do you practice English? Responses. I practice every day. I like reading books. Practice these daily. What if you have no speaking partner? No problem. You can talk to yourself, speak in front of a mirror, record your voice, read aloud, use English learning apps. Even speaking alone builds confidence. The most important thing is consistency. Do not wait for perfect grammar. Do not wait for confidence. Confidence comes after speaking. Remember, small daily practice plus no fear fluency. If you practice 20 to 30 minutes every day, you will see improvement in 2 to 4 weeks. If you found this lesson helpful, like this video, share it, and continue your 28-day journey with us. Visit EnglishHumanityUAPD.com and remember, speak every day without fear. See you in the next lesson.